Hello everybody, I am Alex Angel. I am co-founder and CEO of Sideralis. We're going to show you a demo of the platform. This is the leader or senior developer side. This is where they're able to place the information of the dojo, what is it about, and mainly what they're going to teach. We are integrated to a Slack as a private rooms, so that they're able to share information and solve private questions with their own apprentices. How are they able to get apprentices into their dojo? They're able to share it with social media. We're currently trying to populate our own catalog. They're able to invite their own private people, or they're able to share it through social media, as I was mentioning, and attract people that it's interested in joining the dojo or a virtual temple of education, okay, and is willing to pay for those challenges. Okay, the location, there's a couple of choices here. If they want to teach on site, virtually, or both of them. This is the frequency of the coaching or mentoring. They choose how many times a week they would like to do that, and the timing, if it's within 1 hour or 2 hours. Okay, the rules, it's a pretty standard, what they want and how they want it to be done. The status of the dojo, if the dojo is open, it's um, it's available for the learners or the students. It's visible, let's put it that way. And if it's closed, it's not. There are certain requirements in order to open a dojo. The classes opening hours have to be placed, the rules and the challenges as well as the belts. The belts are here. This is the gamification system that I was talking in the video, in the first video. It's about ranking points, and it's about goals and emblems. So it's a pretty good way for the leader developers to promote challenges between the members, the apprentices, in order to get a better ranking, and also a table for the leader developer in order to see the results of such apprentices, and on the level that they are. Uh, the other part that I wanted to show is the collaborator side. If there is a leader developer that needs some help at some point, because he has many apprentices within his dojo, he's able to um, add up to 5 people to help him up. um, the sensei, it's about the information, accomplishments of the leader developer. The training side, it's pretty cool. Um, those are rooms that are created by the leader developer in order for the apprentices to learn certain aspects that are not direct to the actual challenge per se. How to use GitLab, that's something pretty standard and really important to learn, but it's not direct to the challenge. The katas are many projects that are connected to the actual challenge. Um, and Per se, in this example, they're trying to teach about databases, CRUDs of Mongo, using Java, and principles of PO. Um, this side of the send email, it's a communication system in order to talk with the apprentices. It's pretty standard. And let's talk about the challenge. The challenge is the most important part. Here we have 2 challenges created. We're going to talk about GitLab in a second, and which is integrated with our platform. And it has 3 katas, and this is the price of the challenge. In this particular scenario, we have 6 people out of the 10 available that he created. And on this one, there's 2 that it was free, that were able to make it. These people paid for it, and so they were able to see and engage within the challenge. Let's try to create one really quick. So this is the name, the description of the challenge, what is it going to solve, this challenge, what is the difficulty of the challenge, um, what is the predecessor of the challenge, if there is one, so that the apprentices need to get that emblem or bypass that. I mean, pass the challenge in order to get the next one. The duration of the challenge, and what is the limit of people within the challenge. The top people that can be engaging within the challenge is up to 12 people. This next part, it's an image that can be chosen in order to represent the challenge. And also there is a trophy, which we can see here, Java API Web. This is for fundamentals of Java and databases. And we're able to create the challenge. Okay, in the next section, we're gonna see, let's pretend that we already created it. And right here, this is the price. The leader developer is able to set the price. This is the mentoring, the frequency of the mentorings, which we already saw it, and when is it going to start and when is it going to end. Okay, if they can synchronize the project with GitLab, and it gives all the recommendations and instructions to all the apprentices once they are logging. Okay, GitLab is a version controller that allows not only the leader developer to place the project, but for the learners, the apprentices, to engage with such challenge. Okay, per se this one, they're able to make commits, create the leader developer can create wikis and pipelines in order for the challenge to be well structured. I think you already know about GitLab because you guys promoted GitLab in YC. All right, I think this is it. I hope you guys like it a lot, and I hope to see you in Silicon Valley. Thank you kindly for your time. Goodbye.